Hey, this is Bobby with Spy Geeks, a division of Surveillance Plus. Today we're talking about the 4K clock camera. It comes with the camera, the USB cable, and the USB charger and instructions. If you leave this plugged in, it'll record motion activated videos forever. If you unplug it, it'll go 3 to 6 hours on the battery. Right here is the SD slot, and it'll take up to a 128 gigabyte SD card. Our competitors only sell you one that goes up to 32 gig because that's older technology. Also, you can see the lights back here, the status lights. These you can turn off through the app if you want to. This clock will record great in the daylight, and at night it has no glow infrared. That means that you don't see a red glow like you do on the cheaper cameras. So here's what the camera looks like coming through the free app. If you hit settings right here, this is what the menu looks like, and you can turn off those LEDs that I was telling you about right here. If you turn that off, now they're not blinking anymore on the clock. You can also set the motion activation and night vision settings. For night vision, you press this and you turn it on, and then that activates the no glow infrared. So now this will see in complete darkness. Other things you can do is go to the alert settings and make sure motion detection is on, so it records motion activated videos. It doesn't need to record when nothing's happening. So all your motion activated videos, they're stored on the micro SD card, and you can get to it right here. As long as this shows a number, it means it's recording something and your SD card is good. If you ever want to format the videos, you can press this and erase all the videos and start fresh. This camera will work even if you don't have Wi-Fi. You can connect to the hotspot of the camera. Then you look on your Wi-Fi list and you look for the one that starts with CARE and connect to that. Once it says connected, then you can go to the app and see your camera live. There it is right there. Here's how you play back your videos. Once you're logged into the app, then go to SD card. And then right there, all your videos will come up. You can slide this up and down to go to the previous days. You can also click the calendar, and it'll show a little blue dot wherever you have videos. As stated before, you can connect to this camera even if you don't have Wi-Fi. It puts out its own little Wi-Fi hotspot. But say you want to watch it remotely. You go here where it says set up camera Wi-Fi, and all your Wi-Fi around you will populate on this list. Connect to the one that's yours with your Wi-Fi password, and now you can watch that camera remotely. The way you know you did it correctly is that CARE number will go away.